In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 10. By the end, you'll have Chrome up and running, set as your default browser if you want, and pinned for quick access. Start by opening the web browser that came with your computer, usually Microsoft Edge. In the address bar at the top, type google.com/Chrome and press enter. This is the official Chrome page, which is important. Avoid third-party download sites to keep your PC safe. On the Chrome page, click the Download Chrome button. Windows 10 is detected automatically, so you don't need to pick a version. You may see terms of service, review them, then choose to accept and continue. Depending on your browser, you'll be prompted to run or save the installer. If you see Run, click it. If you see Save, click Save, then open the downloaded file from the bottom of the browser window or from your Downloads folder. The file is named something like Chrome Setup. If Windows asks whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. That's the user account control prompt, and it appears for legitimate installers like this one. The Chrome installer will now download the necessary files and install the browser. This part usually takes a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. When the installation finishes, Chrome will open automatically. If it doesn't, you can open it from the Start menu by typing Chrome and pressing Enter. The first time you launch Chrome, you'll be offered the option to make it your default browser. If you plan to use Chrome for most of your browsing, click Set as Default and follow the short Windows prompt. If you prefer to decide later, you can skip this and change it anytime in Windows Settings under Apps and Default Apps. For quick access, right-click the Chrome icon on the taskbar and choose Pin to Taskbar so it's always one click away. If you use a Google account and want your bookmarks, history, and extensions to sync, click the profile icon in the top right and sign in. You can also import bookmarks from another browser by opening the Chrome menu, choosing Bookmarks, and selecting the Import option. A few quick tips: if the installer doesn't run, try downloading again. Ensure your internet connection is stable, and temporarily pause any third-party security tools that might block downloads. If you're using a computer managed by work or school, you may need administrator permission. That's it. Chrome is now installed on your Windows 10 PC and ready to use.